Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the best Navy SEALs watches for men based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of my new upcoming videos. Number 9. Timex Ironman Classic 50. Built to be lightweight and sealed for water resistance, the iconic 5-button design gives you direct access to run timers. Display type, digital. Buckle clasp. Case material, resin. Case diameter, 43 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Band material, plastic. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 18 mm. Band color, black. Dial color, gray. Bezel material, resin. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, day, date, month. Item weight, 1.6 ounces. Movement, quartz. Water-resistant depth, 100 meters. Number 8. Garmin Tactix Delta Solar, the GPS smartwatch. Tactix Delta Solar Edition is the tactical GPS smartwatch built to military standards, MIL-STD-810, with solar charging lens. With specialized tactical features as well as mapping, music, advanced training features, and more, this watch is built to stay in the field for months. Meant for everyday life as well as field work. Product dimensions 1.97 by 1.57 by 1.18 inches. Item weight 3.42 ounces. Number 7. Rolex Submariner Automatic Self-Wind Male Watch 116610. Swiss-made. Black dial. Dot hour markers. Black Cerachrome. Ceramic bezel. Insert engraved. 60-minute graduations. Cyclops lens. Date feature. Instantaneous date with rapid setting. Stop seconds feature for precise time setting. Automatic chronometer movement. COSC chronometer certified. Rolex caliber 3135. Vibrations per hour 28,800. Joules 31. Polished with brushed 904L oyster steel stainless steel case. Number 6. Luminox XS.3503.NSF Navy SEAL Foundation exclusive C-Series watch. Luminox Men's Navy SEAL 3500 series black PU band. Blue dial. Quartz analog watch. XS.3503.NSF. Luminox has been the watch of choice for professionals like Navy SEALs, expert counterterrorism operative Scott Castle, the U.S. Coast Guard, law enforcement divers, and many more for the past 25 years. Dial window material type, tempered scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Number 5. Marathon Search and Rescue Dive Watches. Case diameter, 36 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Band material, rubber. Band width, 18 mm. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Special features, Arabic numerals. Movement, quartz. Water-resistant depth, 300 meters. Colloquial name, medium search and rescue, quartz. MSAR quartz. NSN 6645-01.697-4203. Movement, high torque quartz. 3 joules. Case, 316L stainless steel. Submersibility, 30 ATM. Number 4. Luminox Navy SEAL 3580 series blue dial canvas strap men's watch XS3583ND. Handles pressure easily. Make this Luminox your new everyday watch. Carbonox case and 316L stainless steel case back. Carbonox unidirectional rotating bezel at 12-hour fitted with a protected colored light tube with sapphire crystal. Tempered scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Movement, Ronda 5030.D HH1. Water resistant to 200 meters. 20 ATM. 660 feet, individually tested. Black rubber signature strap with stainless steel brushed signature buckle, 24 or 22 millimeters. Number 3. Casio GShock GBD-H1000-1A7. Casio GShock Move GBD-H1000-8. The new GBH1000 GShock Move watch is equipped with heart rate monitor and GPS. Useful workout functions include an optical sensor for heart rate, along with bearing, altitude, barometric pressure, and temperature sensors, and an accelerometer for step counting. Package dimensions: 7.13 by 5.43 by 4.09 inches. Item weight: 9.6 ounces. Number 2. Casio GShock Frogman GWF-A1000-1A2JF. Case diameter: 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness: 19.7 millimeters. Band color: blue. Dial color: black. Item weight: 4.2 ounces. Movement: Japanese quartz. Water resistant depth: 200 meters. I really like the face and size of this watch. It's big, bold, and easy to see the time on this watch. The blue band really adds a bit of color and distinction to this analog watch. It's really easy and convenient to use when paired with a smartphone. Number 1. Citizen BJ2169-08E Men's ProMaster Blue Rubber Strap Dive Watch. Display type: analog. Case diameter: 47 millimeters. Band material: rubber. Band color: blue. Dial color: black. Movement: Eco Drive. This watch comes with an extra blue rubber strap. B740. 1 second chronograph measures up to 50 minutes. 12 24-hour time. Maximum depth memory. Power reserve indicator. High quality 21 centimeter length and 22 millimeter width blue rubber strap with a buckle. Case diameter: 46 millimeters. Case thickness: 15 millimeters. Case color: silver. Dial color: black. Water resistant to 20 bars. Weight: 142 grams.